How to create a newsletter in Weebly. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can create a newsletter in Weebly. Newsletters help you stay connected with your audience and also helps you to grow your mailing list. So it is very important. And you can do this easily by making use of Weebly's built-in newsletters template. So how do you do so? I just need you to watch this video to the end and you would learn how to do that. First of all, log in into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to your dashboard, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar and select website. Other website, choose edit site. Alright, and you'll be redirected to your site editor's page. On your site editor's page, you will see your site, including functions that you've added, perhaps contact forms, image gallery, etc. that you've added. Once you can see this, move to the top part of the left side of the screen and then click the plus icon. Then a drop down menu will be displayed. In this menu, you see options like sections, section, page, item, category. So select section. By selecting section, you can see the different sections are available that can be added to your site. Scroll down until you can see the communicate tab. Under it, you can see email newsletter. So select that and choose the newsletter that you would like to use, the template that you would like to use. So this is the default. You can select any one of this. All right, just for your um audience to sign up. And then once you've selected templates you want, move to the top right side of the screen, click add, and now customize this template by adding an image if you chose the one that requires adding an image, and then click done and go ahead to update by adding a link to the newsletter such that when they click on the link they'll be redirected to perhaps their email or whatever you want them to be redirected to. You can also add an alternative text, an image caption, and once you're done, move to the top right side of the screen and click done, and then just like that your newsletter has been added to your Weebly's website. And there you go. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.